welcome to my video. So today's video is going to be all about maintenance. Yes, maintenance. You're going to see how I did my nails. I hope you guys enjoy. Went to Target, stopped at Starbucks. I'm going to try their eggnog latte. She pretty. This is good. It's a nice eggnog latte. That's good. Could be sweeter, but it's pretty good. It's like coffee and eggnog. And I got whipped cream on top of mine. Did not even laugh. It's all done. So I'm heading into Aldi's. Gotta go pick up a couple of things to make my soup. I'm making 3 types of soup. I'm gonna make like an Italian impossible meat soup, and then the other one is gonna be like a lentil soup, and then the final is gonna be a seafood soup. So I'm gonna go pick up some ingredients so I can make the soup. Thank you. I ended up going to the bank. I didn't do much recording because I was just overly stimulated and I wanted to, focus on what I had to do. So I made it to Walgreens. I am happy. Whenever I'm at the beauty section or the fandom section, I just feel like the world is my oyster. This is the runway, and it's just a movie. I just love it. I just love it, and it's one of those things that makes you feel just incredible about being a woman. To have all of these different options and these fabulous things. I love the beauty section. Love it. Options are endless, and it's so colorful and it's so appealing. You can't tell me it's not amazing to be a woman. All these fine, incredible things that you... The bag is secure and your girl is geeked. And she's happy. So Walgreens had the product. I am so happy. Yeah. So this is where the maintenance begins, and this is where the fun starts. This is where all my creativity get to come out. I get to be the master. I get to be the artist. I have the power. Whatever I desire, I can make it happen. I can bring it to reality. I can call it into my existence. I love that for me. I can add whatever enhancement I want to add. I can do my nail however I want to, and I get to own the process, and I get to claim the process and make it my own. This refill is wow, but it's the products that I'm using, and it's just a beautiful process. Like, who came up with the concept to put a liquid in a powder and decided gonna put it on a nail?
Another breath, and I seen another than to feel only means one thing. So I still believe cause I know I got life so I can't fight. And I know say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Sing like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe cause I know I got life so I can't fight. And I know say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 Blessed with another chance, I am.
First one I did, you can see the beat ratio is a little off. Everything else is flushed, seamless. This is the first one I did, flush and seamless. So when I'm going over it with the drill, I barely have any work that I have to do.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I want to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe cause I know I got life so I can't fight. And I know say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance.
Nails are done and complete. Whenever I do my nails, remind me when I was that little girl and I just couldn't wait to get acrylics on my nails. And now I know how to do it. So it's like from the little girl who was hoping to now she achieved it. It's a big deal.
Making toxicity look cute, that ain't romance. You gotta be better than if the man upstairs know your name, I advise you know your worth.
My nails been a full week. How they look? They looking so good. Yeah. I haven't done my nails in acrylics in so very long, but your girl still got it. I love me a nice French tip. And This is giving, yeah. So very proud. So soft girl, so clean girl. So very much on brand for me.
If the man upstairs know your name, I advise you know your worth. Get you a male, treat you like a queen, and always gonna put God first. Don't return to your past, I know it hurt. Last time they put you on a shirt. Glory to God that now you're living. Don't go back, it might be worse. Beautiful to be treated like dirt. Don't rush it, put it on pause. Let God satisfy your thirst.